Before we start, I want to let you know that we interview two persons because one didn't live here in Mazatlan, so we use another one that lives here. So we interview both.
What do you think about global warming?
I think global warming is a really big issue for our generation, but it's going to get even worse for our kids or our grandkids. Because if we don't start doing anything to solve it right now, they're going to be the generation that gets affected with the most problems and the most type of damages. So I think we need to start doing something right now.
What actions do you think we could do to prevent it?
To prevent global warming in big scales, I think we should put taxes on companies that use toxins or any type of material, or they throw a lot of trash. We put taxes on them so they have to find another alternatives so they don't have to pay up. And I think that would actually stop a lot of companies. And to a smaller scale, we should teach our citizens better alternatives, that they should have a limit of how much they can use their car and how much trash they can produce.
What do you do to contribute to stop it?
Right now, I don't do anything to prevent it, but when I get older, I would like to donate my clothes or use my bike more often, or get places by walking, using environment safety dish soap, and really anything that, even if it seems small, if we all do it together, it would have a bigger impact.
Hi, my name is Katie Ramirez Ramos. I'm 17 years old. I was born and raised in the United States. I was born in Elkhart, Indiana. It's by Chicago, Illinois. And I've been here, living here in Mazatlan for a year. I lived in Nayarit for 2 years. And my family is from Nayarit. They live right now in the United States. But I came here to play soccer. Now I'm going to speak about global warming.
The first question, what do you think about global warming?
I think global warming will happen if we continue to do things the wrong way.
Number 2, what actions do you think we can do to prevent it?
We can prevent this by stopping to drill holes for oil in the ground. We can stop by using electric cars and doing etc. things.
What do you do to contribute to stop it? And if you don't, what would you like to?
What I can contribute to do to stop it is I don't smoke. I don't use any gas products. I don't drive a car actually right now. But if I were to drive a car, I would drive an electric car, and I will try to help sign petitions to stop the holes in the ground for oil.
What is causing this to happen?
What is causing this to happen, for example, the holes in the ground for oil causes for economic growth in the government in the United States, and that makes, for example, Joe Biden right now is continuing to do that, and that is the reason why he does it for money.
How is global warming affecting us on our daily lives?
Global warming affects us. For example, right now in Antarctica, there's flowers blooming, and with that means the whole world is the temperatures are gonna rise, it's gonna get hotter, and everything's gonna melt. In conclusion, what we can talk about global warming is that it will affect Earth. It is real. Many people say it is not real, but it is actually real. And what a president that has put something to help with that is Donald Trump. Actually, for as much as a lot of people don't like him, he was actually going to help stop global warming, unlike Joe Biden, who's continuing to do global warming with holes in the ground and oil. But in conclusion, we can all contribute to stop that.
Yeah.